Stand still, would you?
Good morning, welcome back to On the Road. So a bit of a rough night's sleep last night. It was rough.
I kept dreaming that alarms go off and we have to evacuate. It was that wobbly.
Well, at least he was asleep. We was rolling all over the bed and that, and yeah, the ship was crunking and growling. It has been rough.
Having a shower in the morning was fun.
Falling all over the place.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's a few people out and about walking around. It's very entertaining watching that, isn't it?
Apparently this one is a smooth sailing.
Is it? Well, who told
Somebody
you that?
was saying, I don't know.
He's winding you up. I've done this before, and yeah, last night it was rocky.
Right, let's go and get a tea or something and see who can walk straight.
Yeah, I don't think I want to carry it though.
Nah, I'll be alright.
The waves look like they've settled down compared to last night, but have a look. Poor fella, he's going to have one more go and then he's going to help him push out up onto the land. I think the paint's too slippy, so we can't get enough grip on the rear wheel to make it start over.
Oh my god, it's sunny.
Look at that. Happy days, and mountains over there. Oh, what a difference it is out here, eh?
I think I need to dispose some of the warm clothes I took.
Yeah, tell me that later when the sun goes down and we're in the tent. Right, there we go, another country. Welcome to Spain. We better turn the cameras off so we don't get upset customs, and join us on the other side. Well, there we go, just through the customs and that at the Spanish side. That was nice and easy, wasn't it? So we've got a plan to get to a campsite. It's only 5 miles from here on account of we think we're going to need a little extra time today to learn about the tent and bits and pieces we've got, and then we'll assess what we're going to do from there. But I'm glad to be back on dry land. Now what we've got to do is remember to be on the right side of the road. Hello.
It's possible to take the motorbike?
No.
Okay, anywhere here.
Anyone in this area.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I'll go for my bike.
Yeah.
It's sunny, but it's starting to rain and we need to put the tent up.
Yeah, so like we mentioned, we've no idea how to do that, so we're just going to crack right on. But it feels really nice and warm here, and there's a beach just down there and everything, isn't it? I think the first night's digs, I think you've picked well, Eva.
Yeah, let's put the tent up first, don't we?
Let's see how that pans out. We have MSR Habitude.
Habitude 4.
MSR Habitude 4. Never been out the packet, no idea how to put it up.
Yeah, we've got an extra ground sheet, I'm not sure.
Yeah, we'll put the ground sheet on first.
Is there any instructions in here?
I don't know. I haven't looked at it. Hey, there is instructions, sort of. Which way's the
Okay,
door?
this is the back.
All right, we got it the right way then. Let's just pitch these down as well. And see in the corner, you got this red one. This, so just put it back through all
Yeah,
three.
but that doesn't fit, because that's wrong now.
Yeah, that does make sense.
Should we watch a video on it?
See if it work on your phone. Have a look. Whey. What's going on here? Okay, I'm going to lose an eye here.
Assemble all the poles.
Right, I've done that nearly. Alright, yeah, watch the video now, what?
So that's why there is more than one metal thing.
Yeah, these poles, look, is going to get one here, like an X, and one on the other side.
Yeah.
Because, yeah.
I'll probably find a better video.
Oh, hang on, what's this? Look,
Yeah, but that's
what's this for?
That's for the other X, isn't it?
Can't be.
That's a better video.
What we do about YouTube?
Nothing.
We should thank this man. So let's throw it over like that and see what happens. Yeah. We did spot this problem before, didn't we? Right.
Why is it a bit wonky?
Yeah, his doesn't touch the ground either. I think we're good. I think we're there.
I don't know why did you want it to do this.
Well, I reckon that's done, isn't it? I think quite pleased with myself now.
Because I don't think it's working. I'm doing something wrong.
Right then, so we got the tent up just in time. I think we've done quite a good job. It only took us about an hour or so. Obviously we didn't know what we were doing. We found ourselves watching a YouTube video of someone else putting the tent up so we could learn how to do it ourselves. Hey, that's what YouTube's for. We all help each other.
Exactly.
So yeah, just started raining, as you would expect.
And I want a hot cup of tea. It was so boiling in the tent at first, and now it's actually getting quite cold.
Yeah, yeah. I think we're going to be all right though.
The weather still didn't predict rain, so I don't know.
Well, it is what it is. We are happy campers now. So, tell them what you got here, Eva. Another cooking device.
Yeah. So we have Trangia this time. So the good old classic with a kettle. Just don't burn the tent, all
Yeah,
right?
let's try not to burn the tent down.
Did you put water? So we're still very messy in the tent. I'll probably show you that another day. That's enough.
Yeah. So far though, happy campers. All right, we didn't go very far today. We only come from the ferry port thing. I think we're both knackered though. We did not sleep very well last night at all.
Yeah, the plan was not to really ride for 2-3 hours and then be too tired to put the tent up, especially we have no idea what we're doing.
And I think we timed it just right.
Yeah.
Because about 10 minutes after we finished putting the tent up, it started raining. So, yeah, we've done good. So now we need to figure out what the plan is. We need to look at the weather. So we'd like to do the Picos and then through some national parks, perhaps down through Portugal,
Yeah.
around the bottom of Spain, maybe back up, finish up around the Pyrenees area before we get the ferry home, something like that. That's the sort of rough plan. But it looks mighty cold in the mountains still on the passes.
Could be alright in a week or two.
Yeah, well, we're going to find out. I mean, Picos will be like tomorrow, really. So we'll have to judge the weather, and yeah, we'll make up as we go along as usual. Yeah, for now, nice cup of tea, get ourselves sorted.
Maybe we'll see what's in the restaurant.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, something else I got to point out, by the way. We have now, clearly, we've hit a midlife crisis.
Are we?
Yeah, clearly.
Why?
Have you walked round here? Just take yourself from here, walk down there, have a look at the average age of everybody else here with their camper vans, and everybody says morning, morning. But more to the point, the reason why we've hit a midlife crisis is because Eva bought Crocs.
Hey, you got them as well.
And I hated it, but she's so right, it's the right thing for camping. But I didn't get these silly little cherry things in here, look.
But I got, so now we know which Croc is which.
Yeah, welcome to middle life.
See?
Yeah, I hated on that. I said I was never going to wear Crocs, and a few days later I went to town and bought Crocs, because as always, Eva's right.
Well, hopefully, we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. Uh-oh, that's hot.
You need to straighten it
I
up.
can't, it's hot. We're starting to look like we know what we're doing now.
I don't think so.
No, there's definitely not enough water in there.
Oh, sorry. Why did you listen to me?
I was just saying Eva's always right. Yeah, not always. Right.
You'll regret that
You're
later.
Need more, aren't you? Start again. I don't know, this thing feels like an accident waiting to happen.
Camping is fun.
All right. Germs don't matter when you're camping, no?
No.
Oh, it's got some power, this, isn't it? that's our tent. Look at the size of that compared to the others on here.
Yeah.
And we're still fighting for room. We definitely did good picking the bigger tent over a small one crawling on our hands and knees. That was never going to work
I
out.
found it.
Yeah, good job, Eva. Right, we're we had a go at cooking on our new transier just now. Eva made some cheese sandwiches, and I thought we could turn them into
Kept
toasties.
them in a cold pack and all that.
Yeah, we thought we'd warm them up, and absolutely cremated them within seconds.
I think it's stuck forever to the pan. I don't know if I'll be able to wash it off.
We might have ruined that already. So anyway, we're walking down to the restaurant. So
Yeah, let's
that's how
see.
well that
Let's
camping went,
see.
isn't it? Nice here, isn't it?
Camping, not camping, isn't it? Your trendy shoes.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Crocs all round.
So, Reg, how was your evening without dinner? Because the shop obviously was...
Well, the transier did not work out very well, unfortunately. Hopefully that's due to us not really knowing what we're doing. We're going to put that down to user error tonight. But yeah, we went down to the restaurant, had a look in there. It's all it's designed to cater to English people. It's ham, egg and chips, sausage, egg and chips, pizza, that sort of stuff. So we skipped that, didn't we, and come back to our tent.
Yeah, had some sweets.
Some sweets and snacks and crap and call it a day.
Yeah.
But so far, to be fair, our tent stands out a mile. It's like 5 times as big as everyone else's here. But the kit's good, isn't it? If you stand on the floor, your feet get cold immediately. But we got Thermarest sleeping pads on. They're supposed to be R-rated to some magic number.
Then you've got a fancy quilt.
I got a quilt, not a sleeping bag. So this is a 250 quid blanket. But I have to say, even though it doesn't feel like very much, it is really, really good. Yeah, I feel really warm in it so far.
And your fancy pillow.
Fancy Thermarest pillow. Yeah, none of that blow up rubbish. This is
Oh, we
filled
just
with
couldn't
down
get
and
along
everything.
with the blow-up pillows because it makes you feel like your head is on the balloon.
Yeah, it's like sleeping on that boat last night, you know, swishing round, and yeah, sounds like a crisp packet. So, yeah, we're all sounding pretty optimistic at the minute, and we'll see how that works out in the morning, shall we, when we get up, see if we feel 100 or not.
All right.
Yeah, so thanks for joining us. See us in the next one, and now we can head off on the bikes and perhaps head around the Picos and see what we can see around there.
Bye.
See you next time.